Really? Anyway, Abby, can't do this. Hello, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm here just doing a little reading update of what I'm reading. This month is a little struggle. I went through 1 week I didn't read anything. The first week I was really into it. I read two books. Now I'm up to 3. But anyway, so I've been reading a few of the books on the Man Booker Prize Award and on the books that made the final 6. So far I've read Exit West. I actually have a review on that on my blog. I'll put the link somewhere down the bottom. And then also I've read in the first week of the month I read Lincoln in the Bardo. I also just finished yesterday Autumn, and that is an interesting one. I actually liked it. I haven't decided what to rate it yet, so I'm pondering what rating to give that book right now. But it is an interesting book. So now I started another one off the list. So 3 I have on the list so far. The 4th one is History of Wolves. And I've only been to about 1 chapter in this, so this I'm planning on getting through this week. And so far, I like it so far. I mean, it's only 1 chapter, so I can't even tell you if it's good or not, but so far I'm not bored. So I'm also reading Pigeon Blood Red by Ed Duncan. This was sent to me by the publisher, and I'm halfway through it. It's a crime thriller, and so it's a fast-paced, very movie kind of book, but deal with stolen jewelry. So that's the gist of it. I like it so far. And that's it right now for all the books I'm reading. Tomorrow, I'm filming this the day before Brooklyn Book Festival. So tomorrow, hopefully, I get to pick up some books and get to meet some authors tomorrow. And I'm probably going to vlog it. So stay tuned for the next vlog where I will give you little bits and pieces of the festival. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, subscribe, like, comment, share. If you read any of the books of the Man Booker Prize Award, let me know which one you liked so far. If you read any of the ones that I've read so far, let me know your feedback. And that's it. Have a nice day. All right.